Assalamualaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we do Physical Chemistry Numericals from Atkins, Chapter number 1, Question number 107. Compare the following properties of air on a sunny day at 28 centigrade at a Florida beach to the air along the coast of Alaska where temperature is -4 centigrade. Pressure and composition of air is constant. Part A. Do air in Florida at 28 centigrade and air at -4 centigrade at Alaska have same density? It is not. Which has higher density? In this question they ask, do the air in Florida at 28 centigrade and air at Alaska at -4 centigrade have same densities? Is it not true? Then tell the reason why they do not have the same density and which air particles of the which area have the higher density. We know that PV is equals to nRT. We know that N is equals to mass over molar mass. So when we put this value into this equation, then P, pressure, volume is equals to mass over molar mass into universal gas constant and temperature. P, M is equals to mass over volume into RT, where mass or volume is equals to the density. When we put the value of density into this equation, then it becomes Pm is equals to dRT. Pressure molar mass is equals to the density into universal gas constant into temperature. We know that in this equation, they tell us pressure and composition of air is constant. When composition is constant, then the molar mass, for example, air is made up of the nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. They have the same composition worldwide. So its molar mass is almost same. And the pressure, this tells that the pressure is constant on both area at Florida or Alaska. And the universal gas constant is almost constant. It may be 0.0821 molar decimeter per cube. So P, R, and molar mass are constant. So temperature is inversely proportional to the density. In this equation, from this equation, we can identify that if they have the different temperature, their densities will be different. If they have the same temperature, their densities will be same. But in this case, Florida and Alaska airs have the different temperature. At Florida, the air is 28 centigrade, and at Alaska, the air is -4 centigrade. So as the temperature are different, so densities are also different. At Alaska, temperature is low, so density of air higher than Florida. As the temperature and densities are inversely proportional, because at Florida, temperature is -28 centigrade. So temperature is high, so density is low. And at Alaska, temperature is -4 centigrade. So temperature is when temperature is low, density is high. And same, when temperature is high, then density will be low. So the temperature at the Alaska is -4 centigrade. The density will be higher at Alaska than the density of the air particles at Florida. Thanks and Jazakallah khair for listening.